So I asked myself one day, what do we do with all this flooding, and how do we go about carbon capture, and how do you promote life? And it seemed to all come together in one big solution. God said to build an ark, so I did. It's a nature-assisted reclamation kit, and I will show it to you now. I live next door to a creek, but before that creek there is this dry ditch washout, and in that washout I found a bunch of trash because, well, people don't care about where their trash goes. So the first step is to build a loose dam using rocks and sticks, and we're not trying to stop water or dam it up. We're trying to catch the plastic, which it does. So you just come down here and clean it out every now and then. Keeps it from running into our oh, that's paper. Paper, who cares? Paper can stay. Paper is part of the ecosystem. Plastic and metal, less so metal, but definitely styrofoam. I want to get rid of that. Nobody cares about paper. Bugs like paper. Is that paper? That's plastic. Look how brittle this stuff. That's not plastic. Plastic looks like that whenever it's decomposing. But you just drive some T-posts, lay some logs, put some stones, and it does its own thing. Here further down, we have a small dam. I'm thinking about redoing it. You know, you build something, you learn what it could do better, and then you build it again. So in this system, we are trying to do our part as individuals to restore the water table. This is all trash rock and logs and stuff that managed to pile up here. This is well, you can see it's 24 inches deep. It's not watertight by any means. We actually don't want it to be watertight. What we're trying to do is arrest the flood energy that is caused when you have monsoonal type rains. It prevents erosion, and it gives the water time to sink down into the earth for your trees so that they can have plenty of food or plenty of water as their roots go deeper. Deeper roots, stronger trees, deeper food. The more nutrient they can bring up, the healthier they'll be, the longer they live, the better the perennials can survive. Ecology is about having diversity. Diversity is vital. Look at the nuts on that guy. So instead of this water come crashing through here and wiping out the soil and eroding it, what it does is it stands. It gets about 2-3 feet where I'm at right now, it seems, and it'll last for maybe an hour after a good rain. I mean, a really good rain, and then it goes away. What I'm thinking about doing is actually damming that up a little bit more so that this water can stick around for longer. Maybe we can get some minnows going in here, and as they get washed out of here when it floods, they produce food for other fish further downstream, and then we have bigger fish because there's more food. Well, stay tuned, and we've got some more stuff to reveal. Thank you.